Hi, welcome again to Fifth Wheelers Australia. Today we're talking about the Super Duty, the new Ford Ranger Super Duty. We've put a turntable on the back. We're pretty happy. It was hard to work with because it's such a high tray. We've put a kit on the chassis. We've used some Hayman Reese rear position legs and a Euro hitch. There's two things that I'd like to point out. If you're thinking of doing this, buy an extra cab ute and get one with a low tray. This tray is 1150 high. I would suggest, I know someone does make one with a 1 metre tray. When you load this fifth wheeler, the kingpin nearly scrapes on the floor. The person can't run the side fold up sides, the drop sides, because there's not enough clearance to the neck of it. We made it work, but it was really tricky to do. We've created this trapdoor in the floor, and we're about 400mm off this headboard, which when you try and turn a fifth wheeler, you've either got to have a Revolution pin box, so it swivels back here, or you want to get an extra cab ute. So that would make it easier, but this high tray does not help with loading. But we've made this Euro hitch pop through. We've got a ball hitch for a tray already. We just thought we'd try hitch. Customer really needed it. So we made it happen. It was a lot of work, but we got it done. And then we've had our engineer in, and he's given it a compliance plate. The hitch is only rated at 3.5 tonnes, so even though the vehicle's got 4.5 tonne capacity, the hitch is only 3.5, so that's it. So blue compliance plates there on the door from our engineer to say it's all set to go. So if you need a turntable put in a Super Duty, we'll have a go at it for you, but please come with a bit lower tray. Thanks.